A gyroscope is essentially just a spinning disc, and by spinning that disc it can balance on almost any surface, on a string, on a fingertip. And I really love the way that it can kind of defy our perception of gravity. You can give it to someone who doesn't know anything about the science underneath it and they'll be amazed by it. You can give it to a scientist who understands everything about it and it's equally as perplexing. Yeah, I used to have a gyroscope when I was a kid. I always loved it as a toy, and now that I'm a grown-up, I wanted to have a proper machined, engineered version of it. I made the first prototype for myself, and my friends saw it and they loved it and asked if they could have one too. All of the parts for the gyroscope are made in London, and they're made by a team of very experienced engineers. We've actually machined this out of solid brass and aluminium. There are a few versions of the gyroscope. They come in a variety of colours. For this campaign we've also done an exclusive Kickstarter green which won't be available anywhere else. Every gyroscope comes with a Kevlar pull string and an aluminium pull handle, and that allows you to get it up to speed really quickly. We've also made a display stand out of aluminium, and you can use that to put it on your desk or your coffee table. I feel like we've taken what used to be a toy and we've essentially made it into an engineering piece of art, so that it's really beautiful in form and it's something that an adult will be proud to own and proud to have on their desk or their coffee table. I really hope people on Kickstarter share my passion for gyroscopes, and I really hope that you back this campaign so that you too can own one of these beautiful gyroscopes.
Wow!
It's fun.
Oh!
Yeah, it's so cool.
That is clever.
Fire. How can something so simple be so relaxing? So therapeutic, so mesmerizing. All your worries vanish, if only for a moment. Wouldn't it be great to have those moments in your everyday life? Thousands of people have experienced the magic of a billet spin top. This one is for you. In a world of screens and virtual reality, it's easy to forget the most valuable things in life are things you can touch. There's performance in beauty. It's functional art. An heirloom piece in a disposable world. It's created with high-grade metals on high-end precision machines. Every top is hand-inspected for perfect balance, because you deserve the best.